how to make a great and very powerful siren. It works great. Let's start. Online I found this circuit diagram, very simple circuit diagram for making a powerful siren for alarm, and the schematic is using just transistors, resistors, capacitors and one push switch. That's it. Here it is, the circuit diagram. You can take a screenshot from this video and use it for your project. And here are the electronic components. We use a 1 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 220 ohms resistor, 220 kilo ohm resistors. We have a two capacitors of 22 microfarads, 10 nanofarads, 47 microfarads, and we have two same PNP transistors, BC557, and one NPN transistor that is more powerful, is a BC337. The whole circuit is working on 12 volts. And also you will need a bigger speaker. Here it is a close-up. You can take a screenshot so you can collect your electronic components and making your own very powerful and crazy siren. So here I have all the components that I need to build my skeleton powerful alarm siren, and I'm gonna make on these two copper wires, solid copper wires, and let's start soldering. First I'm gonna solder the two PNP transistors, this resistor, capacitor and these two resistors. I'm almost finished, just to solder this last capacitor. You have wondered why I'm using this one, because I love old electronic components, and this one will bring more stability to the circuit. Okay. I'm finished with soldering all the components and making of skeleton circuit of siren alarm using only transistors, resistors and capacitors, and only thing is to solder the speaker and try it. Just to mention, this rail is positive, this rail is negative. I have also put a isolation, red isolation, to indicate that this is positive rail, and blue isolation to indicate that this is negative or ground. I have a switch and let's try it. The speaker is connected to the circuit. I'm gonna connect it positive to positive and negative to negative. Wow. To explain, when you hold the push button, the siren goes up with the tone, and when you release, the tone goes down. I'm testing the circuit on 7 volts, and I can see that it's pulling around 150 milliamperes, and NPN transistor BC337 can handle with that, don't worry. It's like a police siren. Great. The circuit is working great, and I love it. It turned out pretty cool and amazing, and it sounds amazing. Okay. Skeleton version for police siren. I like it, and it looks good. That was all for today project. Give a like, share the video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.